You've probably seen the buzz in the media talking about how classic car owners are flocking to Open Road Insurance, with countless customer testimonials calling out significant savings on better coverage. Let's see what the typical cost would be for insuring a 1977 Ford F-150 with Open Road. With Open Road, you get agreed value coverage with many other protections tailored to collector cars, like zero deductible windshield repair or replacement, tools and spare parts coverage, as well as repairs with OEM parts and at the shop of your choice. Are you a member of a car club or already have classic car insurance? Good news, you're eligible for additional discounts. Visit openroadautoinsurance.com today and see how much you might be saving.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. We have a very special vehicle to present to you today. Underneath all these red ropes, where normal people can't go, we're bringing you exclusive access to this 1977 Hoonitruck, okay? Ken Block's legendary vehicle featured in his Gymkhana video series. This thing is pretty dang baller. Now, his life was all about living large, chasing dreams, and inspiring others to do the same. Growing up on a ranch in Southern California, Ken learned to drive in his parents' 1977 F-150. That truck kickstarted his love for cars and motorsports, and it's no surprise that it became the inspiration for one of his most baller creations. Nicknamed Hoonitruck, this F-150 started as an idea and took 2 years to come to life. It was built by Ken Block, the Hoonigan team, and Detroit Speed. Taking a look at the exterior, this thing looks so freaking cool. It's surreal to see it in person. The wide-body flares stretch its stance to over 79 inches. It has carbon fiber bumpers, an aggressive front splitter up at the front, and many other custom touches. The wheels are custom by 1552, and they feature real bead locks and are wrapped, of course, in some Toyo tires that are just a little bit torn up. As we look at the heart for this Hoonitruck, it's a 3.5-liter twin turbocharged EcoBoost V6 engine producing 914 horsepower. Now, does that engine sound familiar? Well, if it does, that's because it was developed by Ford Performance and Roush Yates. It was borrowed from the Ford GT in the Le Mans program. It's paired to a 6-speed all-wheel drive gearbox, which is the same gearbox from Block's legendary Hoonicorn. That's a 65 Ford Mustang, which we have covered previously. One of the coolest features is the 3D printed intake manifold. Popping out through the hood, it looks good, it looks mean, and it's flanked by twin turbochargers. Ken once said that this was the largest 3D printed car part in the world when it was made. It required 150 hours to create. As we look at the inside, it's clear this is no ordinary pickup. It's been stripped down, very bare bones, very race car. Carbon fiber dashboard, Recaro carbon fiber race seats. It's able to even be started remotely, and of course it has a backup camera, so a little bit of functionality here. The Hoonitruck starred in Ken Block's viral Gymkhana video series, built specifically for the 10th installment. It shredded tires, it turned heads as Block tore up those scenic spots. Y'all might remember the shots on Route 66 in Texas and the scary Tianmen Mountain highway in China. Now, Ken Block may be gone, but every single one of these revs from this Hoonitruck definitely helps his legacy live on. I really hope you guys enjoyed this exclusive look at the Hoonitruck, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down below in the comments. We're very lucky to have been here to cover this car for you, so shout out Barrett-Jackson. And we're very excited to see what this thing is gonna go for. Now remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com. That's gonna be our online marketplace with over 38,000 listings live on the site. If you prefer more of the auction style of buying and selling vehicles, check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com. That's gonna be our 7-day online auction. That's it for me, guys. We will see y'all in the next video.